First, we open this site. We click on the login on the top right corner. We choose Google. Now we go into the desired account. Now we enter our birthday. You can put anything, but know that the year must be above 18. And here you can see that you are now 0 years old. So you need to adjust that. So adjust to like 1996. So you are now 30 years old. Okay, next. Now we are in. It's all set. What's amazing about this site, it gives you the creation of the video. Also, you can do your homework, translation, creating images, and writing. So now we only focus on the creation of the video. So now we click on create video. As you can see, I can put a reference image. It uses Seedance 2.0 and you can generate up to 10 seconds with desired ratio. For us, we will do it on mobile ratio, which is 9/16. So now I need to give the reference image and the prompt. I'll put those and I'll get back to you. Now I put the reference image and the prompt. So now we click on this button. As you can see, the site says the video will be generated using Gemini Seedance 2.0 model. It will use 2 points and be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I'll send it to you when it's done. You still have 4 points left today. So, in total we have 6 points and each video takes only 2 points. So, you can generate 3 videos. And we can see that those videos will have the dollar.ai on their bottom right corner. And we will use other site to remove the watermark from there. As you can see, we got this video with the $AI on the bottom right corner. So we need to remove that. But first, let us enhance the prompt and see if the site can give us another video. Now, as you can see, it's now a better video. So, the old problem was in the prompt. Now, we'll need to remove this watermark from the bottom right of the video. So, let's move to the other side. Here we have the easy remove. So, this site is basically doing the remover of the watermark from each video or image. Now, all we need to do is to upload our video and remove the watermark. But first, let us log in or sign up in this case. You can use your email or any other email from those temporary email sites. Now we go and paste the email. On this field, we will put the password. Now we click on Send Code. Verification code has been sent. So now we go back to the site and reload. As you can see, we got the code. We can copy it and go back again and paste it. We click on Sign Up. We have credits here. So, for each check-in, you have 10 free credits. And you can check in after 15 minutes to get 5 more credits. So, all we need to do now is uploading the video and remove the watermark. For each second, it takes 1 credit. And we have 10 seconds video and we have 10 credits here. Now I uploaded the video. I went to auto remove. I click on the Pro and I click full video. Now remove the watermark. The processing may take some time, and after finish, I will show you the full video after removing the $AI from the bottom right. Now we click on the play. As you can see, now we have full video generated by Seedance, full HD with no watermark, and we can press on download. Go back on the trick I was speaking about. After 3 generation, you will have no points left. So what we need to do is following the Google Skills method, which I explained it in details in my previous video. I'll put link up above. There you can see how to get a new email from Google. You can sign in using that email and you will get 3 new video generations. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel for more useful tips.